Stop scrolling and answer this past paper question with me for your upcoming GCSEs. The question reads, the method used to extract a metal from its ore depends on the position of the metal in the reactivity series. One step in the extraction of titanium metal involves the displacement reaction between titanium chloride and magnesium. So this is a displacement reaction. Magnesium is displacing titanium. Therefore, we can conclude that magnesium must be more reactive than titanium. The equation can be simplified as such. Explain why this displacement reaction can be described as a redox reaction. A redox reaction is where reduction and oxidation happen simultaneously. Of course, we cannot describe this in terms of gain and loss of oxygen because there is no oxygen present in this equation. Therefore, we need to describe it in terms of gain and loss of electrons. And to help us remember that, I'm going to write oil rig. If you can recall, oil rig stands for oxidation is loss of electrons and reduction is gain of electrons. Then I'm going to go ahead and write the oxidation states of each of the elements. Titanium is +4, magnesium is just an element, and the oxidation states of elements is always 0. Same for titanium, and here is 2+. Let's have a look. Titanium has gone from +4 to 0, so titanium has gained electrons to become neutral overall, and it was positive to begin with. Therefore, titanium is being reduced because reduction is gain of electrons. So titanium is being reduced. And what is happening to magnesium? Well, magnesium started off as being neutral and it must have lost electrons to become positive charge overall. Therefore, we can conclude that magnesium is being oxidized as oxidation is loss of electrons. The reason why this can be classed as a redox reaction is because reduction and oxidation is happening simultaneously. It's very important for when you are describing titanium, you need to mention titanium ions. If you say titanium gains electrons, that is incorrect because here it's not titanium, it's titanium ions, and you must mention oxidation and reduction. The next question reads, the formula of a sulfate SO4 2-, which of the following is the formula of titanium sulfate containing the Ti4+ ion? Rather than going through trial and error, we can just work out the answer ourselves, put it on the weighing scale. Right now it's unbalanced because I have -2 overall on this side and +4 on this side. Therefore, I need another sulfate to balance out the charges. Now I have 4- on this side, so my overall formula is neutral. So the formula is going to contain 1 titanium and 2 lots of sulfate, and it's C.